Alright guys, going to do a review on this Global Industrial 72-inch ceiling fan. It's a rather expensive, large ceiling fan. It is remote control, so we're going to turn it on setting 6, the highest setting. Get a handful of shavings here. We'll let it get up to speed. Alright, I'm going to get underneath it, and here's a handful of shavings. I'm holding these about head high, and if you'll watch the shavings, that's it guys. It's a 72-inch fan on high. Kind of see one shaving there moving. Fan's mounted at about 10 feet above the floor. Oh, there we go, finally. There's some movement.